On January 12, 1984, Sir Clive Sinclair presented the Sinclair QL professional computer. That was exactly 12 days earlier than Steve Jobs unveiled the Apple Macintosh. 1 year later, on January 10, 1985, Sir Clive Sinclair presented the Sinclair C5 electric vehicle. So today we celebrate 35 years of C5, which was first of its kind and decades ahead of the competition, and it took many years until companies like Tesla stepped in and made electric driven personal transport a common thing on the roads. So with this short video I want to celebrate 35 years of the C5, and I show you this beauty in a closer look. Just enjoy the beautiful design and aesthetics and even futuristic design aspects, looking a little bit like a Star Wars unit, you know what I mean. So commercially it was a failure, but it gave quite an impact to the industry, and it took many years that electric cars became a common thing on the road. So this C5 here is in my personal collection for almost a decade. It's a new old stock unit which was never driven on the road. It's called brand new, so you see the pedals are really pristine condition, and the only change which was done by the previous owner was to put another battery inside. This C5 is the unit with the white back door, and it has the original keys, still with the factory paperwork, and inside is the charger for the battery and the holding strip for the battery, plus the handbook. So this is a very nice C5. I hope you can see it clearly. Okay, maybe not the most professional video I ever made, but I just took a minute after work to film this for you and to celebrate 35 years of the Sinclair C5, which was a milestone in electric personal transport. I wish you all the best for 2020, good health, and I hope you stay tuned. Bye.